Good day, my name is Dr. Dmitry, here is Dr. Gaz. We are teaching how to do extensor exercises. So basically those are muscles that are responsible in running, standing and maintaining an upright position. So the first exercise that we will teach you is called the back extension. So you're lying down on your stomach, the hands can be in any position comfortable, the elbows can be as close to the body as possible, and you activate the muscles of the back that go along your spine. So slowly extend your neck and your back, raising your shoulders, and maintain this position for 7 seconds. It's going to be a static strengthening. If you're going to go down and start doing repetitions, it's going to be dynamic and down. You can repeat this position 5, 7, 10 times based on the prescription that you receive from your doctor, and you will strengthen this musculature. Make sure that you always maintain the good grip of your pelvic musculature area. Thank you very much, and make your muscles strong.